What's up guys, this is Zach of Dreamedia Home Theater, and today I'm going to show you how, step by step, we created this beautiful acoustic package and backlit it for our customer here in McKinney, Texas. Dreamedia is nationwide and would love the opportunity to earn your business. If you're building your own home theater, be sure to reach out today for a free video consultation. So let's start out by going over some of the product that you're going to need or some of the material that you're going to need in order to accomplish this. We're using a few different acoustic options. We have the DC3 multi-diffuser that we're using on the ceiling in combination with the flexi waves, and we're using the flexi waves on the ceiling and the walls. And for our absorption, we're using the Vicoustic's cinema rounds in the gray color. There are different color options available for everything that you see here today. All right, so right now we're marking out all of our studs because we want to attach our back frame for the acoustic treatment and LED wall. Two studs, and then we'll mount our plywood to the framing that we attach to the studs. So while the guys are working on cutting my 2x4s to the appropriate length, I am going to continue to mark out the other wall and then move on to the ceiling. That way by the time they bring me up all of my framing, I know exactly where it's bolted into the wall. I'm going to strip back this plastic so that it reveals the adhesive underneath, and then I'm going to line it right up. See how the black wire lines right up with the 24 volt positive? That's your power, and then it just lines up green, red, blue right there. You put it in and see how when you compress it on, it makes contact with those pins. That's all you got to do. Take your pliers and compress it down, and now contact has been made. It's going to extend straight through that wire. And now we're just going to go ahead and put it all the way around our frame. So right now we're starting off by just sticking the LED to the wood, but that's not going to hold long term, so we're going to put some staples in, some little U-hooks. So even if the adhesive wears off over time, it'll still stay firmly in place. All right, we're moving right along. We got our two side panels up, and now we're going to be installing our framing for the ceiling acoustic treatment, which is the Vicoustic's DC3 multi-diffuser, and we're using the waveguides in addition to that to give it a little flair. The waveguides are cool because not only do they have a hard surface on top, but they have absorption as well, which will cut back on some of the reverb on the ceiling. And we're putting those on the sides. I have the painter working on touching up the edges of my plywood because I don't want it to stand out. I want it to blend in with my flexi waves that are going to be mounted to the sides. So he's going to go about an inch in and do the sides as well, all the way around all of my different, whatever you want to call these, frames that I built for the acoustic treatment package that we're about to put in. So as soon as he's done hitting all the edges, we're gonna start on the first side. All right, we're working on getting everything mapped out now to where we can actually start installing the acoustics. We'll do a time lapse as we complete the whole project, but it's definitely gonna take some time. All right, that's a wrap on our video showing you step by step how we installed this Vicoustic audio treatment system throughout the entire space. We built custom brackets for the cinema rounds as well as the flexi waves and our multi-diffuser DC3s and backlit them with LEDs to give it a really nice, aesthetically pleasing look. If you would like us to create a design like this for you, be sure to reach out for a free video consultation with one of my specialists. We are nationwide and would love the opportunity to earn your business. And we have our preferred installers in 28 different states who can help you do a complex installation like this. We have everything home theater related that you need, from acoustic treatments to projectors, speakers, amps, racks, even down to the wires. We have it all here at Dreamedia, and would love to go over all the different options for your space dependent on your budget to maximize the performance of the system. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and be sure to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.